Red Shank.
All right, I'm rolling.
Alright,
Are you guys at Team in Red Shank? Or Seagull?
Seagull, I think, is the airfield we spawned at.
Hold on.
Hang on,
Okay.
guys. We got 2 Red Shank airfields.
Yeah.
What's the
We're
grid?
the ones in the south.
Oh, 502.
Oh,
Okay.
fuck me. Okay, I'll despawn and spawn back in.
Alright.
Oh shit, we got 109's on the runway, guys. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Shit.
Oh.
Was that you guys?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Oh my god.
All right, we just told you guys we were taking the runway and taking off.
I cleared him.
Let's respawn.
You want me to circle?
No, yeah, you just circle.